Hi, I'm Rachel Land, a yoga medicine teacher here with Yoga International to help decode some yoga teacher talk. Before I get into today's tip, do make sure that you like this video and subscribe so that you catch all of the great content. Now, today's tip is when a yoga teacher tells you to drop the inner borders of your shoulder blades or lift the outer borders of your shoulder blades. This I find can be really challenging because for most of us, the shoulder blades are slightly mysterious. They're on the back surface of the body and it's difficult to feel them or to connect to them. So hopefully it will help you to have this visual. So I'll turn my back to you and I'll imagine, or you can imagine at home, that I'm sweeping my arms up overhead. I want you to watch my shoulder blades, my scapula. As I sweep my arms up overhead, the shoulder blades rotate up. It's called upward rotation. So the outer borders lift, the inner borders drop. As I bring my arms back down, that reverses. So as I lift the arms up, the outer border of the shoulder blades lift and the inner border lowers. So you want to imagine that the shoulder blades are rotating on the back. And so that as you lift your arms, instead of trying to drive the whole shoulder complex down your spine, you can imagine that rotation. The outer borders of the shoulder blades lifting up toward the outside of the armpit as the inner borders slide down toward the back of the waist. Sometimes we'll be given a cue when the arms are overhead to draw our shoulders down our back. And hopefully you can see on my shoulders how that creates quite a bit of tension in the muscles there. If I'm trying to drive my shoulders down my back, it's actually contrary to the natural rhythm of the upper arm bone and the shoulder blade that the outer corners would rotate up and the inner borders would rotate down. So have a play with that in your practice, especially as you're sweeping your arms or lifting your arms up overhead. See if you can visualize the movement of the scapula and that difference between what the outer sides of the scapula and the inner sides are doing. Give that a try and let me know in the comments how you felt.